Hello everyone. So let us talk about making banana vinegar. This is our raw material, an overripe banana tundan variety. This is already after having removed the peel. This is the mashed tundan. An equal amount of sterilized water is added. This is just hot water from the thermos bottle, and this is allowed to cool. This is since it has been heated, therefore we assume that it is already sterilized. So this is mixing together the mashed banana and the water. 2 teaspoons of sugar is added, and in the same manner, a teaspoon of yeast is also added. To introduce the mixture into our bottle, we need a funnel. It has to be a funnel with a wide diameter. Okay, so this is um, putting cover, since we expect the mixture to produce um, bubbles or gas. So the reaction of yeast to the mixture is results in gas production. Kaya we need to cover it uh, in such a way that the gas can escape. So we can make use of tissue paper, and uh, additional support is placed like this one. This is aluminum foil. Okay, this is now how it looks like after a day. So naka 1 day na ito. Take note, there is bubble production. It shows that the reaction is producing carbon dioxide. Tapos tumaas, medyo nag-expand siya because of the bubble. So I think it is important that you don't fill up the whole bottle with your mixture. You need to give an allowance for the expansion due to gas production.